Hello everyone and welcome to my monthly vlog. It's my first vlog of 2023 and I'm changing the format a little. Instead of the three things I usually cover, which sometimes can feel a bit repetitive and forced, I'm just going to cover some important and interesting things each month for you. So January and New Year is a time for making plans for the year ahead and resolutions. Sometimes those things are big, sometimes they're small. Sometimes within a few days of the new year starting, all those plans have gone out the window because something happens that we don't expect. Having been running the business now for 6.5 years, and with all things from Brexit, the pandemic, and now a global financial crisis being thrown in the mix, I know that plans that you make have to be flexible, and I've learned not to take things too seriously or beat myself up if they take longer than planned to get to be achieved. With this in mind though, the team and I spent some time today offsite talking about plans for the future, our aspirations, talking about things we have achieved and if not, why not, and why we're not there yet. It was a great day, just taking some time to discuss as a group why we do what we do and how this will continue to evolve as Magenta matures. We had an update about our company values and team charter. We spent time discussing things like what we'd like to see more of in the business and things we'd like less of. We talked about tools that might help us deliver a better, more efficient service and how we can enhance your experience as clients. So in 2023, we'll be rolling out some of those ideas. I also wanted to mention that this month, there's actually only 3 months to the end of the tax year. This last 12 months, I've seen more changes and budgets than in any other year I can remember. And we will shortly be writing to all clients with the latest update about various tax changes, in particular for capital gains, income tax bands and dividend allowances. Because for some people, that's going to mean changes in the new tax year and for the year after that. So that's in the tax years 23-24 and 24-25. We will do our best to keep you up to date and you should call if you've got any questions specifically. And I should also mention there's another budget in March, so further changes might be afoot. As a reminder, if you want to max out ISAs and pensions and you haven't done so yet, get in touch and we can arrange all of that for you. We've seen a nice positive bounce in the markets this month. That for everyone, I'm sure you'll agree, has been very, very welcome. The markets have enjoyed positive news about China's restrictive lockdowns being eased, energy shortages in Europe not being as bad as expected, and inflation reducing in the USA for the last couple of months. So let's hope this continues to be a positive and everything continues in that direction for the rest of the year. That's all this month. As always, if you'd like to talk about your own financial planning, then please just get in touch. And finally, if there's anything you'd like me to cover on these monthly vlogs, you can just email me at Gretchen@magentafp.com and I'll see what I can slot in. Thanks.